Sam, please, after our drawing lesson, what do you think about your masterpieces?
Well, as you said, it is a masterpiece for sure. Because for me, I've never done this before, and thinking of abstract drawing, I always wanted to do it. I've done patterns. There's something called a Zentangle I had seen on YouTube. I tried that, but that is about patterns. It has to be repeated. It has to be structured like this, like this, like this. But this one, as you were telling me, guiding me, it was more about whatever I feel, I put it on a piece of paper. So this felt more natural to me. Whatever comes to my mind, just do it. And I enjoyed it. I really felt that this was like my mind unraveling onto the piece of paper. So I enjoyed the session.
And you soon will receive your analysis, your drawing.
Please give me good marks. I'll give you some chocolates.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Alex.
Thank you.
Thank you.